In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom dates in ClickUp Calendar View. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to add a custom date field that shows up right where you plan your schedule, making it easier to track things like review dates, go-live targets, or any timeline you care about alongside your regular due dates. Start by opening your ClickUp account and signing in. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you have access to more than one, so the changes you make appear where you need them. Once you're in, head to the specific space where your tasks live. Choosing the right space is important because views and custom fields are typically organized by space or the location you're working in. Next, open the calendar. If you already see a calendar tab across the top of your views, click it to load the calendar for this space. If you don't see a calendar yet, add one now. Click Add View, then select Calendar from the list. This attaches a calendar view to your space, letting you visualize tasks by dates. With the calendar open, look for the gear icon, usually near the top right of the view. Click that gear icon to open the calendar's customization settings. This is where you control what information appears on task cards, which dates the calendar pays attention to, and other useful display options. In the customization panel, select Task Dates. This section tells the calendar which date fields it should use or display. It's perfect when you need more than just a start or due date and want your own tailored timeline. Now choose Add Custom Field. If you're prompted to pick a field type, select a date field so your custom date can sit on the calendar just like other dates. Give your field a clear, purpose-driven name when asked to enter the field name. Think of labels like Review Date, Handoff Date, or Launch Target. Names that make sense to your team at a glance and are easy to search and report on later. After naming the field, click Create. ClickUp will add your new date field to the list of available task dates in this view. From here on, whenever you open a task in this space, you'll see your custom date field ready to set. Once you add a date to that field on a task, it will appear on the calendar according to your settings, helping you visualize exactly what matters to your workflow. That's it. You opened your account, navigated to the right space, launched or added the calendar view, customized it via the gear icon, opened task dates, created a custom date field, and saved it. Use clear names and keep your fields consistent to get the most value out of your calendar.